there. My name is Dr. Margaret Whittaker. I'm a toxicologist at Tox Services. One thing that industry is missing that really gets my goat is that it costs a lot of money to make a safer product. Safer Choice certification is not expensive, and it'll make a safer product. So that really gets my goat. Industry can do a couple things to make safer and then more sustainable for the environment products. They can use publicly available lists. Maybe you don't want to get certified. You can use the EPA Safer Chemicals Ingredients list, or you can subscribe to Clean Ingredients and find those ingredients right away that are safer. So that's a first step. Second step, get certified by Safer Choice or Eco Logo as an example, or Cradle to Cradle. They're safer, they're better for the environment, and it's not difficult. You can do it now, and people like myself are there to help you. Thank you.